Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey sister.
Hey sister. I barely.
Do you want me to lift you up?
Lift me up, Dad.
Right, sit on the knife. Don't, kids.
If you don't know me, I'm Charlie and this is my friend George. Today we're going to be making some cupcakes.
Cupcake?
Just one?
No, cupcake. I made some cool gruel.
I have made some cool
Today
gruel.
we are making cool gruel.
No, we're going to make
Cool gruel.
pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Cupcakes.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. What? If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. What? You know you can't be lazy.
Make sure to clean your hands. This step is super important because you don't want to infect your victims before you kill them. I know what I'm talking about.
So do I. Two
broke girls.
I don't know. Just start.
Don't expose yourself.
Don't expose.
Billy.
You sound like the old lady from
House of Anubis.
Unbreakable.
House of Anubis.
House of Anubis.
Can we watch House of Anubis? Where's my fucking laptop?
What? We're cooking!
Okay. Well, we eat the cupcakes.
I'm used to the digital ones. Why is that so difficult?
Do you want me to
Right,
do
I got it.
So how much pumpkin are you putting
Oh,
in?
do I need to? I'm putting in a whole tin,
Whole tin.
which is 425 grams.
Okay.
So, 10 shot. Love the noise.
So aggressive, you're such a man.
Thanks.
You're welcome, honey.
Right.
The technique my nan always taught me.
Did she swallow it and spit it back in?
2 spoons.
Everyone does that technique.
My nan taught me that. It's like a cupcake one.
No, it's not.
George! How many freaking times?
Sorry. Can I eat this?
I was gonna save it for later.
I was sorry, do you want to put it in the leftovers fridge?
No, I'm joking, yeah, you can have it.
No, I'm joking, you can have it.
Honey, sure.
I said you can have it.
Take it.
Seriously, you should get off the
Take
grill.
it. That's might be my mum. Hello? Nope, okay, they just put the phone down. How does it feel this song?
Why?
I don't know.
I think that's fine.
Mine look thicker than yours.
Oh yeah.
George!
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's way too much. Honey! That's naughty.
Actually, that's kind of good.
No, it doesn't. What? No, that's too much. Put some of it back.
Ready for the thumbnail?
So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Cooking with Charlie special.
It tastes good.
With my special.
Bye Felicia. Bye MTV.